Has a plumbing problem or heating issue been messing with you today? When things go wrong and your frustration is at an all-time high, you need more than just a quick fix. You need a licensed professional. Meet Jack Japunkic, owner of KC's Plumbing, Heating and Drains. For over 3 decades, Jack and his team have been helping homeowners across the Lower Mainland keep everything warm, dry, and problem-free. Whether it's a stubborn leak, a failing furnace, or a water heating system on the brink, Jack and his team are ready to provide expert repairs and reliable service you can count on. At KC's Plumbing, Heating and Drains, it's not just about fixing problems. It's about protecting your home and peace of mind. Don't wait for a plumbing or heating emergency to get out of hand. Visit www.kcplum.ca today and see why a lot of your Coquitlam neighbors trust KC's to get the job done right. First time, every time, KC Plumbing, Heating and Drains, professionals who care.